Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I love to cook Tibetan food for my family and friends. Many people seem to love our Tibetan cooking, especially they like momo and tendu and chapali, maybe because the taste is very unique. I'd like to share with you my recipes, a new cookbook and video series called Tibetan Home Cooking. This is an ebook of recipes that are commonly cooked in Tibetan homes. An ebook is a book that you can download to your computer and you can print if you want to. It's a special cookbook because it has a video that goes each recipe to show you step by step how to make each dish. You can see examples of my recipes and videos on this page. If you are sick and tired eating same thing every day and you like to try something unique and delicious, please buy Tibetan Home Cooking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great time cooking and eating Tibetan food.